Next up is the newest home court in the NBA, the Los Angeles Clippers' very own Intuit Dome. This place is crazy cool, and our friend Gillian Zucker is going to show us around. Hey there, Gillian. Take it away.
Thanks, Sarah. So great to have you here at our home court, the Intuit Dome. Let's take you inside to have a look. This building was designed in order to create connectivity with community. And it's this idea that you could come to this place and engage with people who are sitting next to you who you might not have a lot else in common with. And when you come here, you get this feeling that you just cannot get at home. When the players leave the locker room, they come to the court right through here. This is the center of our Lexus Lounge, and you can imagine fans standing along these railings and high-fiving the players as they come through. It's great energy. Want to see what it's like to be one of the players? Come on, let's go. There's so much about Intuit Dome that creates a home court advantage for the Clippers, so I think the first thing you notice when you walk in is this crazy scoreboard. It's almost an acre of LEDs, and we really engage people with the board. We ran power to every single seat in the building, and that gives us an opportunity to engage fans. We have LED lights that light up, that create energy and excitement. We also have an ultra-wideband chip in every seat, so we can tell if you're cheering and who for. You don't want to cheer in this building against the Clippers, or we'll know it. One of the visions for Intuit Dome to achieve ultimate home court advantage was to have everybody under one roof. So our business offices are here. It's where we play our basketball games, and it's also where the team practices. So behind me, you'll see the 2 practice courts, and around me, you're going to see all of our equipment that's necessary for cardio and weight training. And the players even have a full restaurant here. We're inside the locker room at Intuit Dome, and we're really, really proud of these lockers, which were custom made for these players, really understanding the things that were most important to them. We toured hundreds of facilities, and in a lot of the places we went, we would see a logo embedded in the carpet, but we didn't want to walk on the Clippers logo. So instead, we decided to light it up and put the logo on the ceiling. And one of the most unique features about the Clippers logo is that it's a compass. And if you look at where the N in Los Angeles is, it points north. High school basketball's home court is right here at Intuit Dome. In fact, we've created a jersey wall that has a collection of every single jersey, girls and boys from every high school team in the state of California. It is pretty amazing to come to this area where the jersey wall is, even if you aren't from California, because you get to watch people who are looking for their jerseys. You watch their faces light up as they find them and take photographs in front of them to create keepsakes and send out to their friends. This is a court that was completely designed for the community. So just imagine, this could be your home court. There's acoustical tiling all around the entire thing. There's a 4K video board, floor-to-ceiling windows with full blackout shades. So just imagine how many uses there are for this place. This is the wall, 5,000 seats of home court advantage, and this right here is where the magic happens. It's the capo stand in the swell. So imagine behind me, 300 fans crazy screaming at the top of their lungs, trying to distract the opposing team player from making their free throw. All of us at the same time yelling, miss, 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 miss. There's nothing more fun than watching the wall during a game at Intuit Dome. If I had a big drum, you could join me in a big chant. Let's go Clippers! Thanks so much for joining us on our tour of Intuit Dome, but this place is nothing without the fans, so we hope you'll join us and make our home court yours.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.